Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Firefox privacy protections and enhanced tracking protection, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Firefox browser. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Enhanced Tracking Protections section. You will see three options: Standard, Strict, and Custom. Select Strict for maximum privacy protection. Alternatively, you can choose Custom to manually adjust your tracking preferences. If you select Custom, review the options available. You can block cookies, tracking content, and cryptominers. Activate the features that suit your privacy needs. Next, scroll down to the Permissions section. Here, you can manage permissions for various websites. Consider disabling access to your camera and access to your microphone for added security. Now, return to the top of the Privacy and Security tab. Look for the History section. Ensure that Always Use Private Browsing Mode is checked if you prefer that setting. Proceed to the Data Collection and Use section. Uncheck any options that allow Firefox to collect data. This includes the options for Allow Firefox to send technical and interaction data. Finally, close the Settings tab to save your changes. Your Firefox browser now has enhanced privacy protections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.